Hello students, today we are going to study class 1 English 1, English 2. Please turn page number 34 of your textbook. We are dealing with chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter is Ishun Boshi. Okay, Ishun Boshi is a boy. He is a very short heighted boy and he has taken the permission from his parents and he finally decided to went out and see the whole world. Okay. So his parents gave him a few things for his journey. For example, soup ball, sticks, straw. Okay, that these very things that will help him out in the journey. So he started his journey. He used the things whatever his parents gifted him. And then what happened? Let's see. So finally he just reached a kingdom. Okay, and let's see what happened ahead. One afternoon, the princess took Ishun Boshi to the palace garden to take a walk. So what happened one afternoon? So this Ishun Boshi is in a kingdom. Okay, so the king asked him to work in his kingdom. Okay, and he is just a friend of princess and princess just like his company. Okay, princess love to spend time with Ishun Boshi. So what happened one day? The princess asked him, Ishun Boshi, you should come with me. We will go into the palace garden. Okay, and we will have a walk. Then, just then an ugly giant appeared. As the Ishun Boshi and the princess, they were roaming about in the garden. Okay, they were roaming in the garden. Then what happened? One giant, okay, very giant, very big, very huge, okay, very ugly kind of a creature appeared. You can see in the page number 35. See, this Ishun Boshi and princess, they were roaming in the garden. And then what happened? Suddenly a giant creature like this, such an ugly one, okay, scary one appeared. Okay. Then come to page number 34, okay. He wanted to take the princess away. Okay, what did this giant wanted? He wanted to kidnap the princess. Okay, Ishun Boshi tried to attack the giant. So Ishun Boshi, the small boy, he tried his best to save the princess. Okay, because princess was his friend. Okay, he tried. He fighted with the giant. Okay, this big creature. Leave princess, don't take her. Okay, then let's see what happened. The giant opened the mouth wide and swallowed little Ishun Boshi. Then what happened? This giant creature, he opened his mouth and he just ate the Ishun Boshi. This giant creature, he ate Ishun Boshi. Okay. The princess was very scared to see this, and now the princess, what she saw, that this Ishun Boshi was inside the stomach of this giant, and the princess was very scared. What I can do, how I will save Ishun Boshi? This is such a scary creature. Ishun Boshi used his needle like a sword and poked the giant hard in his stomach. Then what does his Ishun Boshi do? His parents, okay, give him the needle now. He use this needle. His father gave him the needle and asked him to use this needle as a sword. Okay, sword, all of you understand now? Talwar. Okay, so as this giant swallowed this Ishun Boshi, what he did? He just pinched the giant with the needle. Then what happened? This creature opened his mouth and Ishun Boshi, here you can see, he just jumped out of his mouth. Okay. And then this hurt the giant so much that he opened his mouth wide and once again Ishun Boshi. So what did happen? This creature opened the mouth and Ishun Boshi came out of this mouth. Okay, he fought the giant bravely. Then this Ishun Boshi, he was a very hero person. He just fighted with this ugly giant creature Okay. Just then the king came. Okay. This Ishun Boshi, he was a very brave person. He was fighting with the giant. Okay, just go away, go back. And then at the same time, the king appeared. Okay, the prince's father, he came to the garden. Okay. Now, king said to his soldiers, catch the giant and take him away. The king ordered to just catch hold of this creature and take him to the jail. Okay, take him away. Ishun Boshi, thank you for saving the princess. Then the king said, Ishun Boshi, thank you very much. You saved the princess. You saved my daughter. I will give you your wish. And king would promise to Ishun Boshi, whatever you want, I will give you. Okay. Then ask what you want. And he said, Ishun Boshi, whatever you want, I will give you. Whatever you wish to want. You just ask me, okay? I am going to give you that very things. So what happened till now? One afternoon, the Ishun Boshi and the princess, they were roaming in the garden. And then what happened? An ugly creature like this appeared. Okay, and he just wanted to kidnap the princess. He wanted to take the princess with him. Okay, then this princess got scared. Then this little Ishun Boshi fighted with this creature to save princess. But what happened? This creature, he just ate Ishun Boshi. Then Ishun Boshi took out his needle and given by his father, and he used it like a sword and pinched it in the stomach. And then he opened his mouth and he just jumped out of the mouth. Then again the fighting between this giant creature and Ishun Boshi started. Then what happened? The king appeared and the king said his soldiers to catch him and put him away, take him away from here. And then the king was very happy with Ishun Boshi because he saved the life of the princess. Then the king said, whatever you want, you can ask with me. Okay. King was very happy because Ishun Boshi was a very brave boy. He helped the princess. He saved the life of the princess. Okay. Hopefully all of you understand. We will be completing this story in the next video. And whatever points that I have underlined, okay, what you are supposed to do, first of all you have to do the loud reading of this very context 5 to 10 times, and I have underlined the hard words. You are supposed to learn that very words. Okay. Thank you, students. Good night.